Meaning of diphthongize.
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 Diphthongize. The term diphthongize refers to the process of combining two vowel sounds together within a single syllable. The resulting sound is considered a diphthong, which can create a unique and distinct sound within a language's phonetic repertoire. Diphthongs are typically formed by starting with one vowel sound and transitioning smoothly into another during the same syllable. This can have the effect of elongating the vowel sound or altering its quality in some way. Examples of languages that utilize diphthongs include English, Spanish, and French.